Alright, let's look at the practice exam 1, problem number 6. Alright, so for this quadratic function given, we want to find the difference quotient basically. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, maybe let's do one by one. So we need to find f of 2 plus h. Let's find that first. So f of 2 plus h. Right? So all you have to do is every time you see x in the formula, you're going to put quantity 2 plus h instead. Right? So x is here. So we have 2 plus h quantity squared and minus 3 times 2 plus h. Right? Then you have plus 1. Right? So this is going to be equal to, now I'm going to go down here. Right, square this guy. So 2 squared is 4 plus 2 times h is 4h and h squared, so h squared. So that's this multiplied out. And then I'm going to just distribute negative 3 to 2. You get the negative 6. Right? Then distribute the negative 3 to h. You're going to get negative 3h. Then you have plus 1. Right? So let's collect the like terms. Right? So let's collect the x squared term. So we see that there's a h squared, I should have said. Right? So this is h squared. Right, how about the h term? Right, so you have 4h here, and then you have minus 3h. Right, so combined, that's going to be a positive h. Right, then we have, let's see, 4 here, and subtract 6, so that's negative 2, and plus 1, so it's going to be negative 1. Right, so we found that. Alright, then we need to find f of 2. So we find f of 2. Alright, so we see every time we see x, we put 2. So it's a 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 1. Right, and this is going to be equal to, let's see, 4 minus 6, so negative 2 plus 1, so it's a minus 1. Alright, then we can compute that difference quotient. So what we were looking for is f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 all over h. Right? So this is equal to, alright, f of 2 plus h, we found out that this is just h squared plus h minus 1, right, minus, right, f of 2. f of 2 is negative 1, so we subtract the negative 1, right, then all over h, right. First thing we can do is negative h minus negative 1 minus negative 1 cancel out. Alright, so looks like the remaining term is h squared and h, and both of them have h in it, so I'm going to pull h out, factor h out. Alright, so you're going to get just h, and if you factor h from h, you're going to get 1, and we're still dividing that by h. Right? So we have h on top and h on the bottom, so we can cancel those out, and what's left is h plus 1. Right? So that's the simplified version of the difference quotient. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.